brothers in Pune, aged 25 and 28, died COVID-19 within 48 hours. Apurv Vijay Jadhav and Aditya Vijay Jadhav, two brothers from Akurdi area of Maharashtra, Pune district, aged 25 and 28, respectively, died of the COVID-19 within a span of 2 days. Apurv was the unmarried. Aditya has married over years ago. Their father was also undergoing treatment for COVID-19, is yet informed the deaths. A record 21,23,000 COVID-19 tests conducted in single-day center. India has set a record of conducting the highest COVID-19 testing in a single day with over 21.26 lakh fresh tests. The health minister said on the Sunday this is also the fifth successive day that over 20 lakh tests has been conducted in India. It added, the ministry also said 19.50 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses has been administered so far. Children can contract spread COVID-19. Most have mid-September government. Children can contract COVID-19 infection and the same seropositivity rate has been found among those aged 10-15 years is among those aged 13 and 14. NITI Arogya Dr. V.K. Paul has said. He added the children can spread the infection also. However, he said the symptoms is almost all causes among children are mild and mortality is low. Employees' family members can also be vaccinated at workplace vaccine drive government. The center has been stated that the vaccination drive at workplaces could be extended to all employees as well as the department and the family members. The government added the for vaccinating the beneficiaries in a private workplace COVID-19 vaccination centers. The vaccine doses will have to be produced by the private hospitals with whom the employers have tied up for vaccines. Jammu and Kashmir extended COVID-19 curfew in all 20 districts till May 31st May. The Jammu and Kashmir administration Saturday extended curfew imposed in all 20 districts of Union Territory to curb the spread of the coronavirus till 7 a.m. on May 31. Curfew will strict for a few essential services, said the JK Department of Information and Public Relations DRPR. The UT report 3,848 fresh COVID cases Friday. Education Ministry calls meeting on May 23 to discuss class 12th exams. The Ministry of Education has called a meeting on Sunday to discuss the issue of pending class 12th board exam which were postponed due to the COVID-19. The meeting will be chaired by the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and will be attended by the all UT Education Ministry. It will also discuss the prospect entrance exam for profession course. Delhi CM gives 4 suggestions to PM to increase vaccination production in India. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal suggested PM Narendra Modi to order all vaccine makers in India within 24 hours to manufacture Covaxin. All vaccine makers should be allowed to supply COVID-19 vaccine today without delay, and foreign companies should be allowed to produce vaccination in India. Kejriwal added, Center should request nations with surplus vaccines to give the access to India. He had started